Hey, welcome back to Glow Mode, the place where we don't chase perfection. We build it. Today, we're talking about something most people are scared to admit. My face looks uneven. Your jawline looks stronger on one side. One cheek feels puffier. Your smile? Not balanced. You start noticing it in selfies, then in videos, then in the mirror. And suddenly, it's all you can see. But here's the truth. You're not broken, and you're not alone. Facial asymmetry is common, but that doesn't mean you can't fix it, or at least improve it massively. In this video, I've broken down everything into 3 powerful parts. Let's go over them. Part 1, what's really causing your face to look asymmetrical. We'll go deep into the hidden habits, posture issues, and daily mistakes that are changing your face without you knowing it. Part 2, daily fixes you can start today. Simple changes, powerful results. From chewing techniques to sleeping positions, I'll give you habits that balance your face naturally. Part 3, advanced strategies to fix your face long-term. We'll talk posture, lymphatic drainage, isometric training, and more. This is where the real glow-up begins. So stay with me till the end, because the last tip might be the one that changes everything. Part 1, what's causing your asymmetry? Let's start with the truth. Nobody, not even models, has a perfectly symmetrical face. But the reason your face might look off is because of things you're doing daily, without even realizing it. Here are the main causes of facial asymmetry. Sleeping on one side of your face, chewing on one side only, mouth breathing, bad tongue posture, using your phone while looking down, leaning your head on your hand, an uneven bite or crooked teeth, injuries, sinus pressure, or chronic congestion. Over time, these small actions build up and your face changes. One cheekbone lifts higher, one jawline gets sharper, one eye sits lower. But here's the good news. Most of this can be reversed if you catch it early and take action. Let's move to the actual fixes. Part 2, daily fixes that start to balance your face. These are simple, practical, no surgery solutions. Start applying them daily, and your face will start to even out naturally. Fix your sleeping position. If you sleep on one side every night, you're literally flattening your face on that side. Start sleeping on your back. Use a pillow under your knees to stay in position. If you can't avoid side sleeping, switch sides regularly. Use a soft memory foam pillow to reduce pressure. Back sleeping isn't just good for symmetry. It also helps reduce puffiness and jaw tension. Chew evenly. Most guys chew food on their dominant side. That builds muscle on just one side of the jaw. Train yourself to chew evenly. Use chewing gum on alternate sides. Use harder gum to build equal strength. Try tongue side chewing. That means using your tongue to guide pressure evenly on both sides. This alone makes a massive difference if you're consistent. Fix your tongue posture. Tongue posture affects your entire midface and jaw. Press the entire tongue, not just the tip, on the roof of your mouth. Make sure both sides of your tongue press evenly. Keep lips closed. Teeth lightly touching. Breathe only through your nose. Do this all day, not just when you remember. It's a lifestyle, not a trick. Stop looking down at your phone. Your neck tilts, your head shifts to one side, and over time, your face follows that shape. Hold your phone at eye level. Avoid leaning on your hand. Sit with a straight spine when scrolling. Your phone posture is reshaping your face more than you think. Stop mouth breathing. Mouth breathing causes your face to elongate over time. It makes one side droop lower, especially the jaw. Learn to breathe through your nose all day. Use nasal sprays if you're congested. Train this during sleep with mouth tape if needed. Mouth closed, tongue up, nose clear. This one tip alone can transform your face over time. Part 3, advanced face symmetry fixes. Now let's go deeper. If you want next level balance, these are your tools. Facial isometrics. Jaw push down. Place your fists under your jaw. Push your jaw down while resisting. Hold for 10 seconds. Do 5 reps. Tempo resistance hold. Place your hand on the side of your head. Push gently while resisting with your neck. Do both sides equally. Cheek puff hold. Fill your cheeks with air. Hold for 30 seconds. Repeat 3 times. This trains your cheek muscles to stay lifted and even. Do these daily. Results build over time. Morning hydration reset. Waking up puffy on one side, that's water retention and uneven lymph flow. Drink half a liter of water right after waking up. Add a pinch of pink salt and a squeeze of lemon. Flush your system. Then rinse your face with cold water. Do light face massage upward, especially under the eyes and jaw. You'll see instant freshness and long-term symmetry if done daily. Mirror training. Every night, look in a mirror and do this. Smile evenly, watch for imbalance. Do slow facial stretches to both sides. Practice lifting the weak side of your face consciously. This builds mind-muscle connection and trains balance. Think it like face yoga, but smarter. Facial taping. This sounds weird, but listen. Use light medical tape while you sleep to encourage even muscle positioning, especially if one side of your face sags. Never pull tight. It's just to reduce bad sleeping posture. Try it once or twice a week and track the results. You'll be shocked how fast the face adapts. Visit a pro if needed. If you suspect your bite is off, your jaw cracks when eating, or one side feels completely out of sync, see an orthodontist or TMJ specialist. You may need a night guard, bite correction, or muscle therapy. It's not weakness, it's smart. The earlier you act, the easier it is to fix. Final words. Your face is your identity, but it's also your canvas. And the truth is, you don't need surgery. You don't need filters. You don't need to hide. You just need to fix the way you live daily. Start small. Sleep better. Chew evenly. Fix your posture. Lift both sides of your face with intention. Over time, your symmetry improves. Your confidence grows. And people start to say, "You look different lately. Stronger, sharper." That's what we call a glow mode transformation. If this video helped you, share it with someone insecure about their face. Comment your biggest insecurity, and I'll make the next video on it. You glow different when you move different. Glow Mode, signing out.